Hi, this is Rick Curtis, the California insurance guy with Farmers Insurance, the Rick Curtis Insurance Agency. Today I want to talk about a specific type of insurance policy. What I'd like to talk about today is something called master policy insurance, aka HOA insurance or homeowners association insurance. The main question that comes up frequently with people who own condos is, Rick, isn't the master policy insurance coverage enough? When I'm asked that question, I always answer, no, it's never enough. As an individual condo owner, you retain certain property and liability exposures that can only be insured by you and not the HOA. The master policy provided by the association provides very basic coverage for the structure and some liability coverage. However, there are at least 5 items not provided by the association's policy that need to be maintained by you. Let's talk about what those 5 items are that you need to maintain if you own a condo as an individual. The first coverage that you need to maintain is personal property coverage. Personal property protects things in your home such as your clothes, your furnishings, your computers, electronics, things that aren't affixed to the structure. Let's say these things are lost as a result of a peril such as a fire or theft, maybe even smoke or water damage. Your personal property coverage would protect you for those type of losses. The second type of coverage is personal liability protection. Personal liability protection provides payments for bodily injury or property damage that you may be responsible for. Let's say someone gets hurt inside of your unit, they slip and fall and get hurt. Or let's say someone gets hurt outside of your unit, your dog gets out and bites the neighbor. These are things that would cause you to have to pay personal liability coverage to someone else. That policy or that coverage would protect you. The third coverage would be something called loss of use protection. Loss of use protection pays for the necessary expenses like hotels and restaurants while you are unable to live in your home due to a covered peril. This may be something like maybe your home catches on fire and you can't live there while it's being rebuilt or repaired. Loss of use protection would cover you against the peril of something like that. Therefore, you don't have to come out of your pocket and pay for these type of things. Fourth would be, loss assessment coverage. Loss assessment coverage protects you in case there's a proportional loss in the condominium association that is levied against all the members. Let's say there's a fire in the clubhouse. Let's say that fire causes $100,000 worth of damage. The HOA may assess an equal share of that $100,000 between all of the owners in the condominium that are members. With loss assessment, you could take that loss and you could turn it into your own insurance carrier and they would pay your proportional loss as a result of something that would be covered up under your policy. Fifth and last but not least would be real property coverage, aka building property coverage. In my opinion, this is the most important individual coverage on an individual owner's policy. This is considered, or this is called sometimes walls-in coverage to some lenders. These things protect things such as your interior, such as cabinetry, countertops, fixtures, floorings, and other things that are affixed to the structure. This is typically called an HO6 policy or HO6 coverage. The interior unit is normally not covered by the master policy. Sometimes, even if it is covered up under the master policy, the HOA may say, hey, you know what? We want you to pay the deductible for the master policy, which a lot of times can be in the tens of thousands of dollars for the deductible. Or the HOA just may say, no, we can't have you file a claim against the master policy. Therefore, that coverage is not going to be afforded to you. I recommend to anybody who owns a condominium as an individual to please take out or purchase an HO6 policy. An HO6 policy will give you the comprehensive insurance protection that you need when your master policy falls short. If you have any questions regarding coverage on your condominium, I will be more than happy to review your policy and give you my professional recommendations. Moving forward, this has been a video regarding the benefits of insuring a condominium under an individual policy. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm Rick Curtis, the California insurance guy with Farmers Insurance, and thank you for watching this video.